someone puts on the headphones, I don't want them to be thinking about all the technical aspects of studio buds. I want them to get lost in the music. So to ensure a great product and great music, it really starts with the acoustic design. And even though it's a consumer product, we really take a hi-fi approach to the development. There's a saying in recording like, we'll fix it in the mix. We don't subscribe to that. When it comes down to it is really, what does the headphone sound like? That's what really matters to the end user. How do you take a speaker and put that experience into a headphone? Every transducer special that we make, it's all custom designed. This one's special is that we use a 2-piece diaphragm, and it was specifically made for ANC. ANC, Active Noise Cancellation, is you want to cancel out everything else in your surrounding and your environment. Transparency is you're bringing all that into the headphones. So the challenge there is how do you naturally mix it back into the headphone so that it's an authentic experience and you're not really noticing that you have the headphones on.
We spend countless hours and iterations making sure we have the right product fit and user experience with it, because fit plays an important role in also having great sound. We use extensive qualitative testing coupled with anthropometric data, taking into account the shape of thousands of different ears to deliver the most comfortable, secure fit possible and to accommodate all-day use. The silicone ear tips for studio buds are an all-new design, and we redesigned our small, medium, and large to capture the largest user base possible. The ergonomic shape guided us towards the axial design of the driver and the acoustic nozzle. It's important because they're also aligned in a way that's perfectly matched to the position of the eardrum.
What we set out to do with the case was we really wanted it to do is be able to complement the buds. We were looking for something that was compact with an iconic form factor. So with the Beats Studio Buds, you get up to 2 charges and 24 hours of listening time, all from a case that fits in your pocket.
It was really important to us to create a great user experience for both ecosystems. And the chipset itself is extremely unique. So it offers the dual native compatibility with iOS and Android. And that's a first for the industry. So it makes a seamless experience right out of the box, regardless of which ecosystem.
There's a really good blend of emotion and technology and innovation that really makes Beats special. With Beats Studio Buds, ultimately we set out to create the best true wireless product that relentlessly focuses on music.
Late at night, kiss me in the morning or late at night.
Check out the all-new Beats Studio Buds, true wireless, noise-canceling earphones designed for premium sound. Soft silicone ear tips in 3 sizes provide a custom fit and an acoustic seal. And with the compact in-ear design, listeners get weightless comfort for all-day use. The earbuds are sweat and water resistant, and they're portable with a slim charging case that fits easily into a pocket or purse. Beats Studio Buds feature simple one-touch pairing for Apple and Android devices and easily connect via Bluetooth. Just open the charging case with Beats Studio Buds seated inside to begin pairing. Android users can quickly set up their Beats Studio Buds right out of the box with one-touch fast pair and the Beats app for Android. With the app, you'll get access to features like built-in controls, device status, and updates for other settings to get the most out of Beats Studio Buds. The custom acoustic platform has layered drivers for outstanding stereo separation. An advanced digital processor enhances clarity and noise cancellation, and during phone calls, dual beamforming microphones target a user's voice and filter out external noise. Listeners can easily switch between listening modes: active noise canceling to continuously block outside noise, and transparency mode to hear what's going on around them. Or they can save battery life with all listening modes turned off. And they can manage music and calls with easy on-ear or voice-activated controls. The earbuds have up to 8 hours of listening time with 2 additional charges provided by its pocket-sized charging case, giving you up to 24 hours of combined playback. Fast Fuel technology provides 1 hour of playback on a quick 5-minute charge. Inside the box, users will find a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, multi-sized ear tip options, and a warranty card for their Beats Studio Buds. True wireless noise-canceling Beats Studio Buds are made for music.
We set out to design the most advanced Beats earbuds ever. Earbuds that are comfortable, beautiful, and durable enough to handle whatever you throw at them. They're called Beats Fit Pro. We know a major issue with earbuds is the right fit and finding a product that won't fall out of your ears or feel uncomfortable when wearing them all day. With countless hours of development and research, Beats Fit Pro solves this issue with an innovative wingtip design that's flexible, soft, and stable. so these things aren't going anywhere. They also come with 3 different ear tips to fit any ear shapes and sizes, as well as to keep the sound in while ensuring incredible comfort. But these are Beats, and Beats Fit Pro are all about the music. Expect powerful and balanced sound due to a custom proprietary transducer that fits perfectly within the wingtip design. They also have spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, so it's like the sound literally moves with you. Using gyroscopes and accelerometers, Beats Fit Pro calibrates to your head's motion and its position to your compatible iPhone or iPad, giving you an immersive, multi-dimensional experience. A universal fit, all-day comfort, and Beats' signature sound. But it doesn't stop there. Equipped with the Apple H1 chip, the earbuds deliver a seamless ecosystem experience, including one-touch pairing, an ear tip test to ensure best fit, automatic switching between iCloud devices, audio sharing, hands-free access to Hey Siri, and Find My in iOS. We also included a host of other essential features like on-ear controls with 3 listening modes, active noise canceling to block out the world, transparency mode for when you need to hear what's going on around you, and adaptive EQ that automatically tunes the low and mid frequencies to the shape of your ear. Sweat and water resistant for all your high-intensity workouts. Remarkable battery life with a pocketable USB-C charging case, built-in optical sensors delivering autoplay pause, an efficient and convenient Beats app for Android users, and 4 stunning colors to choose from. So whether you're at the gym or on a work call, Beats Fit Pro are going to look, feel, and sound amazing.
Check out the new Beats Fit Pro, true wireless noise-canceling earbuds designed for comfort and stability. Beats Fit Pro are equipped with secure fit wingtips that flex to fit your ear, comfortably locking in place. 3 soft silicone ear tip options make it easy to find the right size, and the fit test setup for both Apple and Android devices helps ensure proper fit for a customized acoustic seal and optimal performance. The earbuds are sweat and water resistant, and they're portable with a slim, pocket-sized charging case. They're powered by the Apple H1 chip, so iOS users can enjoy features like instant one-touch pairing, automatic switching, and hands-free Hey Siri on their iPhone or other Apple devices. Android users can use Fast Pair right out of the box, then manage settings in the Beats app where they can access additional features like one-touch pairing, customized controls, battery levels, and firmware updates. The custom acoustic platform has proprietary transducers for powerful, balanced sound and dynamic range across the frequency curve. You can easily switch between fully adaptive active noise canceling and transparency mode to hear what's going on around you, or save battery life with both turned off in adaptive EQ mode, which fine-tunes audio to the shape of your ear and ear tip fit. Optical sensors detect when the earbuds are in ear, so music automatically pauses when you take them off and resumes playing when they're put back in. On calls, dual beamforming microphones focus on your voice for high-quality call performance, and a voice accelerometer helps remove unwanted noise. With on-ear or voice-activated controls, users can easily manage phone calls and music. Beats Fit Pro supports spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive music, movies, and games. Each earbud has up to 6 hours of listening time with noise canceling on. With the charging case, you'll get 3 additional charges for a total of up to 24 hours of combined playback. Fast Fuel technology provides 1 hour of playback on a quick 5-minute charge. Inside the box, you'll find a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, 3 ear tip options, and a warranty card. Beats Fit Pro, true wireless noise-canceling earbuds engineered for all-day action.
I'm on my way.
The next 50th Street.
Just look yourself in the eyes. Yeah, what a shot that you've got. Don't leave this moment behind.